This is 2018 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. We're doing a one-box break, 5 on-card rookie autos per box on this. We're doing 2 random last name letters per spot. Everybody that's in on the break is over here on the left-hand side, starting from Pooch 199 down to Keith B. Let's copy everybody's name and bring you guys over here to random.org. Let's paste everybody in twice. You get 2 letters per spot. And as always, we go 9 times on the random. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final time. Here we go. 9 times. Elizabeth C up top. Frankie G down bottom. All right, let's copy those names, bring them down to our last name letter spreadsheet. All right, so there we go. A down to W. Let's paste everybody in. All right, make those names a little bigger for you here. All right, and these are your last name letters for 2018 Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in on this, man. Appreciate it. And good luck. Here we go, Leaf Ultimate Draft Football 2018. Good luck, everybody. All right, first up, going out to letter H, Kenny Hill, 12 of 15. Number 12 of 15, Kenny Hill. Quarterback. That's a nice silver number to 15. Letter H going out to Elizabeth C. There you go, Elizabeth C. Kenny Hill, quarterback. Split time between Texas A&M and TCU. I guess he played at both colleges. Kenny Hill out of 15, first up. Very nice. And next up is letter B. On card, rookie Kurt Benkert, quarterback, another quarterback. Looks like he played at, Georgia? Virginia. Played for Virginia. Kurt Benkert, letter B, going out to Keith B. KB, getting KB. Very nice. And next up is letter H, Maurice Hurst. Letter H going out to Elizabeth C. Another rookie on card autograph, Maurice Hurst. Mo Hurst, defensive end from Michigan. That one is not numbered. No numbering on that one. H going out to Elizabeth C. And we got another silver here. Oh, this one's not numbered. Okay, looks like another silver. The last one was out of 15. This is Denzel Ward, W. Going out to Frankie G. Denzel Ward. Cornerback for Ohio State. Denzel Ward. That's a pretty decent one, man. I think, what was he, the 4th pick in the draft? That was the Browns' second pick, I think, right? 4th pick overall. Browns took Mayfield and then him 4th. Not bad. And then, another one. Another top. This guy went number 5, I think. Roquan Smith, Goldie at a 25. 14 of 25. Roquan Smith, letter S, going out to Chad H. There you go, Chad. Roquan Smith, Goldie. 14 of 25. On card rookie auto. Nice, man. The gold. Linebacker from Georgia. I think he was the 6th pick overall for the where'd he go? Denver Broncos? No, that was Chubb, I think. Roquan Smith, top linebacker. Very nice, man. All right, so a quick recap. Roquan numbered Smith, letter S, going out to Chad H. 14 of 25 was the last one. Second to last was Denzel Ward, W. No numbering on that one. W going out to Frankie G. Before that was Maurice Hurst. No numbering on that. Black border. H goes out to Elizabeth C. And right before that was Ben Kurt, letter B, going out to Keith B. And first was, oh, okay, that's right. The other one was silver. This thing is like rainbow. A little refractor or something there. 12 of 15, Kenny Hill. Letter H, that was also going out to Elizabeth C. So thanks again, guys, for getting in on the Leaf Ultimate Draft Football. Appreciate it. Bambino, we are on to the next. We're out.